All right, hello, Larry Porter here, back once again, and in today's video, I want to share a couple tips with you all to help market your travel business online. So the first tip that I recommend doing, especially if you're new to the travel industry and you're trying to figure out who are you going to talk to, I don't want to approach my family, friends, I don't want to target strangers and all this stuff. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be focused on, because nowadays the internet has provided a lot of travel agents with leverage, and you should be taking advantage of it. So the first tip you should be doing is branding yourself. Okay, you want to brand yourself and become the go-to person in the travel industry. Okay, you want to become the go-to person in the travel niche. You want to, educate and give value out to the marketplace. Now, there's nothing wrong with pitching your business. However, you should have more value. For example, if you're building a business on, or should I say a brand on YouTube, you should have 80% of it is branded and value, okay? And 20% of it is pitchy and that promotes your sales and promotes the opportunity, promotes business. So you want to overall, and the big main goal is give value, because this is what's going to build trust. This leads into tip 2, build trust and authority online. Okay. In order to get people to know, like, and trust you, you have to build a credible audience. You have to build some credibility. And the best way to do that is to give value. Give value to your marketplace, give value to your niche, give them tips, training, information. People love information. Give this, build a community, build an engaging audience. And over time, people begin to know, like, and trust you, and it'd be a whole lot easier to get sales, get people into your opportunity, and so on and so on. So you're starting out in a cold market, you're going to have to give a lot of value. That's just the bottom line of it. Don't expect sales right away, but get in, get busy, give value, give tricks, give trainings, give people everything they need to travel better or help them out in their travel business. Or because you got a lot of people that's maybe want to join travel industry, whatever the case may be, give them some information that can help them make their decision a little bit easier. However, if you got people that are looking to book travel, looking for travel agents, give them information. So just give value first, and do less pitching. Give more value and less pitching. There's nothing wrong with pitching your business, just having more value over the pitching part. I say 80-20. 80% value, 20% pitching your business. Okay? Number 3, pick one social media platform, okay, to brand yourself on. Don't try to go around and pick Facebook, pick YouTube, pick Instagram. No, just pick one. Focus that, master that strategy, okay? Master that strategy before you move on to another strategy. For example, my main strategy is YouTube. Okay, master YouTube before you go on to another strategy. And then you can, branch out and do other stuff. But master one strategy, build your authority up on in the travel niche, become that go-to person, give value. The more value you give in exchange, you will get back in return. Okay, so always primary focus is to give value. How can I help somebody today? Okay, and number 4, marketing yourself. Okay, even though you provide value, on, for example, YouTube or whatever your social platform may be, you want to know how to market that to get your value, your content seen. So if you did a video, even though you upload it, you posted it, but you want to be able to get it seen, okay? You need to know how to market, okay? Because you can have the best content in the world, but if you don't know how to market it and get it seen, no one will ever find it. No one will ever see your valuable information. So, okay, brand yourself and market that information and put it into the right people, okay? This is how you're going to stand out from the crowd. Branding and marketing, okay? Brand yourself as the go-to person in the travel niche and market yourself to get your content seen. Now, there are a couple ways you can do this. Tip number 5, a way you can market your, for example, YouTube videos. What I like to do is rank my YouTube videos on the first page of Google. Keyword research. Okay, a lot of y'all may not be familiar with it. A lot of y'all may be, but there's people actually typing in certain search queries, such as how to become a travel agent, or how to book this certain type of cruise, or whatever your end goal is. If you want to recruit people into your travel business and build a team, you should be targeting keywords based upon, okay, people that's looking to become travel agents. If you want to generate travel sales, target people who's looking to find travel deals online, and you be that go-to person. So create your content and get it seen. Create the content, market it, and get it seen. So I'm not gonna go too much in depth about it. There's a lot to it as far as marketing, but I just want to give you some insight to kind of get those creative juices flowing for your travel business. So if you find these tips valuable, feel free to comment. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, as I'll be giving more updates, more tips and training. Okay. And if you like everything, and if you do decide you want to become a travel agent, hey, I do have a special offer. You can click the link below and learn more information about becoming a travel agent if you're serious about becoming a travel agent and like the way that we market. So Larry Porter signing off. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and happy traveling. All right, be blessed. Bye-bye.